Namaste. Welcome to Blishon Concept Teaching. In this class, we will learn to round off to the nearest tens place. First one, 58. 8 is in the unit place and 5 is in the tens place. And we have to round off to the tens place. 5 is in the tens place. So I will round up to the tens place. So here, write this 5 as it is. After this 5, only one digit is there. I will write it as 0. And the next step is, observe carefully. For the tens place, I will add plus 1. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. And the next digit I will put 0. It means that 58 lies between 50 and 60. Now we have to find out 58 is nearest to 50 or 60. To find out that, there is a rule. First, let's see the rule. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will become group 1. And the second group is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here, after the tens place, if the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then we have to round off for the previous number. Suppose if the digit after the tens place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we have to round off for the next number. I will explain this. See it clearly. See here, after the tens place, here it is 8. Means I have to round off for the next number. Means here 60. Suppose if the digit is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 0, I have to round off for 50. But here 8 is there. I will round off for the next number, that is 60. That means 58 is nearest to 60. Second problem, 264. 4 is in the unit place, 6 is in the tens place and 2 is in the hundreds place. And we have to round off for the tens place. That is 6. Now, I will write this 2 as it is, 6 as it is. After 6, there is only one digit. I will write it as 0. And the next step is, we have to add plus 1 in the tens place. 2, 6 plus 1 is 7. And the next digit I will write 0. It means 264 lies between 260 and 270. And now we have to find out whether this 264 is nearest to 260 or 270. To find out that, I told you we have two rules. In the first group, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the second group, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the tens place, if the digits is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, we will round up to the previous number. Suppose after the tens place, if the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we will round up to the next number. See here after the tens place, 4 is there. Means it will come in the first group. Means we will round up for the previous number. That is 260. It means 264 is nearest to 260. That is 264 is nearest to 260. Third problem, 2877. 7 is in the unit place, tens place, 8 is in the hundreds place, and these two in the thousand place. We have to round up for the tens place. I will write as it is 2, 8 and 7. After this 7 there is only one digit, I will write 0. So next step is we have to add plus 1 in the tens place. That is 2880. It means 2877 lies between 2870 and 2880. Now we have to find out whether this 2877 is nearest to 2870 or 2880. We know that there are two rules. In the first group, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the second group, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After the tens place, if the digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we will round up for the previous number. Means this number. Suppose the digit is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, we will round up for the next number. That's this number. See here, in this problem, here it is 7. Means it will come in the group second. Means we will round up for the next number. That is 2880. That is 2877 is nearest to 2880. Thank you.